guys, X Games is this week. We are driving to Aspen right now. This is the commute that I look forward to year long. It never gets old because this is actually the dream that I've been dreaming of forever. Like, it just doesn't get stale because this is the business. This week's going to be massive. I can't tell you how excited I am. X Games coming right up. There's the goosebumps. You can see the big air knuckle right there. That is sick.
Have a nice day, guys.
You too. Damn.
Come on. Get it in.
Happy birthday to you. That's so rad. Look at the state of that.
What a way to go, hey. That's so lovely. How you doing, bro?
Good, man. How are you?
Smells like X Games, doesn't it? Sleds.
Love the smell of it.
Charging around.
2 o'clock in the morning.
Exactly. Buzzing. First practice. Here we go. The excitement is palpable.
Woodsy, how's the speed for all the rain hills?
I think that'll be sweet. It's not like sticky at all like we used sticking.
I don't know.
I'm feeling slick.
I have a question. Can I ski behind you?
Oh yeah, but, well, you might have to fight for Finn for...
I can take 3rd place
Yeah?
after Finn.
We'll have a
I'd be
big
happy
train.
with that.
All the boys can train.
Yeah, Woodsy, this is what you dreamed of, man. A train.
Yeah, I live for trains, bro. Bloody hell, Harry!
Not finals yet. You good, bro?
Surprise attack there. Oh, they're all good though. I'm upset about the side hits. Not working for me.
So what do we got on now?
Well, we've just done our first bit of slopestyle practice this morning. Chilled in the lounge for a couple of hours and now moving over to the big air. It's quite cool because, well, it's getting dark but the lights are working, so you know, this is the conditions that we'll be jumping in, which is good. Yeah.
No wind to worry about.
No wind, like, I mean, it's a little bit flat light today on the slopestyle course, but honestly, as far as everything else is concerned, like, this is the perfect conditions that just seem to always appear this week of the year. It's incredible. It really is. It's not your normal pelican crossing.
Watch out, you're gonna smash him in the dome.
It's only Christian, don't worry about it.
Worry about it.
Oh shit in my pants, I don't know what was going on, man. We're probably halfway through practice now. It's been pretty good. Danny's on the jump. You probably asked yourself how it's feeling, but I'm feeling good, it's good. Jump's nice. Like right now the snow is like super soft and nice to land on, you know? Which is a fantastic, but kind of makes the takeoff feel a bit funny. Like there's no problem with it, but I don't know, I'm just still figuring it out.
You're the guy that figures it out. Following you tonight.
That's actually quite true, including you. So you better hope I figure it out.
Me.
You just went big. Play that again and people knowing that you went big, and they'll see that you cleared the lines then.
I mean, it's better than a knuckle. We can play that again too.
It's far better than a knuckle, bro. Danny goes bigger than me.
Yeah, you're way bigger than you.
It's gonna look crappy on the video. You're looking down on me. Good stuff, brother. It's great fun, man. Do you want to know what's really about those things? Is that when you first learn a trick you're scared of, you know how to do it. You rip it, and however much you prepare and visualize and get ready for it, you sort of go into this like blackout zone where you're just holding on and doing exactly what you intended to do, and it works well. But then once you get good at a trick and you get comfortable with it, you've done it a lot of times, you start seeing your surroundings, you start actually feeling your feet in your boots, you start like noticing people on the knuckle and things like that, and that actually makes the trick a little harder, because suddenly you're now influenced by these outside sources of information when really you should just be concentrating just on that one thing. It's quite amazing.
Probably gets times 10 on comp line, or not?
Honestly, once the competition starts happening again, like your focus on other things disappears and you start focusing on your one task again. You know, you're a little bit more nervous. That's the only thing you can concentrate on. Right now, like, I'm not worrying about whether I left the cooker on because I don't have a cooker, but, you know, like, I can see Jamie on the knuckle, you know, I can see so-and-so's tracks from that trick, like, and the challenge is focusing. So, it's a very different experience. I don't know if that makes any sense, but, you know what I mean? We just stopped for a bit of brekkie, pretty tropical living. It's good, isn't it? I feel like I'm on the beach. But no, it's we're on. We just stopped for a bit of breakfast on the way to Aspen. People always sort of say, like, do you get nervous when you're doing this? Do you get nervous when it's that? Like, people often reference the Olympics as being like, you get nervous when you're dropping into the Olympics? Like, this is kind of dropping into the Olympics. Like, I feel like we're dropping in now, like, because all, like, the prep before is the important stuff. And we're kind of too far gone to, like, the prep's already happened. Now we're just sort of riding the roller coaster. Yeah. It's cool. That's where I'm at. I think this is going to be a good brekkie, though. Nice spot.